Hookers, inspired by a smile here. This is a no-no. I don't strangle my finger while crocheting. Instead, I just let the yarn flow through my fingers like this. My tension is always perfect. Nothing falls out of my stuffies. I just simply crochet and let the yarn flow just like this all the time. I've never ever strangled my finger. So just remember this next time you're crocheting. If you're one that does this, you could save your finger from a whole lot of pain and suffering if you just leave the yarn go. Let it do its thing. And your project will still be, it'll still be good, I promise. See? Awesome.